Chia seeds have gained immense popularity recently due to their numerous health benefits. They're native to Central America and have been a staple food there for centuries. Chia seeds contain 5 times more calcium than milk, more antioxidants than blueberries, 3 times the iron of spinach, and twice the fiber of oats. They provide a substantial energy boost, enhance muscle strength, aid in weight loss, curb hunger, and lower blood sugar levels. But they come with certain risks. Chia seeds can expand up to 27 times their size, so individuals with reflux or swallowing issues should avoid them. Ensure chia seeds are fully expanded before consumption, as they may cause problems in the esophagus if they expand inside the body. Monitor blood pressure if you regularly consume chia seeds, as they can significantly lower it. Keep your blood pressure within a healthy range. Certain medications may interact negatively with chia seeds, especially for diabetics, as they can lower blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are high in fiber, benefiting those with constipation. However, if you suffer from diarrhea, it's best to avoid them. Don't let these tips discourage you. Chia seeds are still fantastic. Understanding their risks can help you enjoy their benefits safely. Do you enjoy eating chia seeds? How do you like to prepare them? Share your thoughts in the comments, share, and subscribe for more health tips.